The Daily Code Snippet. Get into the habit of commenting your code. Any text that you put within the less than sign, exclamation point, hyphen, hyphen, and hyphen, hyphen greater than sign will not be read by your browser, so it is a way to take notes inside your code. This is very useful when you're learning and when you're collaborating with others. If you have a question, put your question, your notes, and whatever you're concerned about in the comment, and then it will not be read by the browser, but it's there to help you and anyone you may ask to understand what's going on with your code. The most common way to use comments is to note when you are closing your div, because if we forget to properly close our div, we can create problems on our web page and it may even break. By using comments to note when you are closing your divs, you avoid getting yourself confused. Here are some examples of how you might use comments in your code. Comment, link to CSS style sheet. Link tag, href attribute, assets /css /style.css, type equals text /css, rel equals style sheet. Div, id equals section 1, h2 opening tag, subhead, h2 closing tag, p opening tag, some amount of paragraph text, p closing tag, end div, comment, end section 1, and comment. Presented by Designers Learn Code.